Lieutenant General RC Tiwari, General Officer Commanding-in-Chief of the Eastern Command, arrived in South Tripura on Friday for a high-level security assessment of the Indo-Bangladesh international border. The visit comes at a time of escalating tensions in the neighboring country and an increase in anti-India rhetoric from several Bangladeshi factions. The army commander, accompanied by senior military and administrative officials, conducted a physical inspection of the Muhuri Char area and other sensitive and fenced stretches of the border in the Belonia subdivision. Evaluation of the preparedness of the BSF and other security agencies to handle potential contingencies. Assessing gaps in the international boundary fencing that could be exploited for illegal infiltrations or smuggling. The Lieutenant General held discussions with senior BSF officers and officials from the Tripura Police Administrations to ensure seamless inter-agency cooperation. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.